Ever found yourself glued to a show on Neon, completely immersed, and then BAM? An ad pops up, pulling you right out of the story? You're not alone. It's a common experience with streaming services, and it often leaves us wondering, just how many ads does Neon have? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, while we love the convenience and the massive library of content that Neon offers, those ad breaks can be a bit of a buzzkill. So, are we talking a sprinkle of interruptions or a full-on commercial avalanche? To really understand the ad situation on Neon, we need to consider a few key things. Firstly, Neon operates on a subscription model. You pay a monthly fee for access to their content. Typically, subscription-based services aim to minimize or even eliminate ads as part of the value proposition. However, the reality can sometimes be a little more nuanced. Secondly, the number of ads you encounter can depend on the specific type of content you're watching. For instance, live TV streams on platforms often include the same commercial breaks you'd see on traditional television. This is because these live streams are essentially mirroring broadcast schedules. So, if you're tuning into a live sports event or a news channel through Neon, you should expect to see ads interspersed throughout. On the other hand, on-demand content, like movies and TV series episodes that you can watch whenever you want, generally have fewer or no ads on premium subscription tiers. This is a major draw for many subscribers, the ability to binge watch without those disruptive interruptions. Now, let's get down to the specifics. While Neon doesn't typically bombard you with ad breaks during on-demand viewing like some free, ad-supported platforms, you might still encounter some promotional content. This could include short trailers for other Neon shows or movies that play before your chosen content begins. These aren't quite the same as traditional commercials for external products or services, but they are still a form of advertising within the platform. Furthermore, the exact ad experience can sometimes vary depending on your subscription plan. Some streaming services offer different tiers, with higher-priced options promising fewer or no ads at all. It's worth checking the details of your specific Neon subscription to see what the ad policy is for your plan. You might find that upgrading to a slightly more expensive tier could significantly reduce or eliminate those pre-roll promotional spots. Another factor to consider is the platform you're using to watch Neon. While the core ad experience should be consistent across devices, there might be slight variations in how promotional content is presented on different smart TVs, streaming sticks, or mobile apps. So, to circle back to our original question, how many ads does Neon have? The answer isn't a fixed number. For on-demand content on standard subscription plans, you'll likely encounter a few short promotional trailers before your video starts, but generally not mid-roll ad breaks like on traditional TV or free streaming services. However, if you're watching live TV through Neon, expect a more traditional ad experience with commercial breaks. And remember, checking your specific subscription tier details might reveal options for an even more ad-free experience. Ultimately, Neon aims to provide a smooth viewing experience for its subscribers. While some promotional content is part of the platform, it's generally less intrusive than what you might find elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.